How to download music on Spotify. First of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. On the Explore page, scroll through and select the mix of your choice from your top mixes. Now tap on the three dots beside the song that you would like to download. Here, tap on Add to Playlist. After that, select New Playlist and name it Downloaded Music. And once you're done typing in the name, tap on the Create option over here. Your new playlist has now been created. On this page, tap on the three dots shown here and then tap on Download. The song is now being downloaded. This way, you can download any song that you want from Spotify and you can enjoy it anywhere offline right from your device. Following these easy steps, you can easily download music on Spotify.